Cantwell right behind him, though. Good throw right there. Of course, Reese Hoffa took the victory in Doha a few weeks ago with a mark of 21.48. Good victory for him. Cantwell off to a good start right here. Good shot. He's two-time world indoor champion. Christian Cantwell, his first throw in second with a distance of 20.60. And Dylan Armstrong of Canada in third with a distance of 20.24. So it's Cantwell, Sack, and Armstrong as your top three in the shot put for the men. The Netherlands competitor just off the mark. And there you see Christian Cantwell. Smiles on his